Hi, I am Sureka, student of 8th standard at GHS Gorralli. Today let us do work form activity. I say present.
I say past. I say past participle.
Go.
Went. Gone.
See.
Saw. Seen. Stand. Stood.
Stood.
Sit. Sat.
Sat.
Come. Came.
Come.
Drink. Drank. Drunk.
Drive.
Drove. Driven.
Play.
Played. Played. Sell. Sold.
Sold.
Learn. Learned.
Learnt.
Teach. Taught.
Taught. Buy.
Bought. Bought.